Hello, everyone. My name is James. So today I'm going to talk about our Flutter project, Hiruri Sushi Bar that we have created. So I created a three homepage, three wireframe ones. So which is a first homepage will be Hiruri Sushi Bar, which will have two buttons, cashier and waiter. So you have to choose two options to log into each category. So if you are a cashier, you have to press cashier and then get started, and then you're gonna move into that cashier login. Then you will have the step ID and password to log in. If you choose a waiter category and press get started, you're gonna transit into the waiter page, which means you will have to use your ID to log in to get into other pages. So this is my part in Flutter project. Thank you for having me.
So today I would like to present about my scenario and I will be responsible for creating the menu for this sushi restaurant. So let's get started. So for this one, this is like the first framework you will see when you use our app. So and then we will log in. I will tell you from the perspective of cashier. So we will log in and we will click the menu and you will see a bunch of uh, a variety of sushi menus for this one. And then I would like to tell more about my menu framework. So for this one, you can search if you have specific item in your mind, and if you want to explore categories by categories, you can click sushi, curry, tempura, drinks, etc. And then this is like the breaking down to the session, which dishes are more frequent and which is our authentic senses and which is the other famous dishes. So for this one, I would like to present about this one. This is add to get features, and this is like notification bell. So if you click on the add to get uh, item icon, you will see that if you have add a no order, it will show up like this, no item in your cart, and you can see that it's not calculated yet. So going back to, and then I will assume that I would like to order this sushi roll. So I will click that and you will see this kind of UI. So it will have like uh description for which provide the ingredients of this menu. And then you can click how much how many you would like to order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice that if I click on that, the top right corner of this actual cat item also count up to the number I clicked onto. So it will if I click 9, it will show up 9 too. And then if I want this folder, I will show the amount, the price of this menu, and then I can click add to cat. So if I add to cat like this, it will show the menu I have added to the cart, and it will calculate how many items and the amount of the order of this menu, and then it will automatically calculate the price I have to pay for, and then I will check out. If I check out like this, it will turn into the cashier menu bar of accepting order. So this is not my part, and this will be later explained by my team. Thank you very much.
After collecting the orders from the customer, waiter can just click send to kitchen button, and that will lead to this page. This page is intended for the chef to review the order and to accept it. In order to review the order, the chef can just click review the order button, and in order to accept it, the chef can click accept order button. Okay, here as an example, let's say the chef clicked the review the order from table 11, and the list of items that the customer ordered will be shown right here. And let's say the chef want to accept this order, so just click accept order button, and that will lead to this page, and that will notify the waiter that the order he sent is started preparing. After finishing the order, the chef can click order finish button, and that will notify the waiter that order is ready and he can pick it up and send it back to the customer. And then just click OK, and that will lead to the page to accept another order and start preparing.
Hello, I'm Iti. I'm responsible for the payment option from cashier side. If the customer want to make payment, cashier can choose the payment option. After that, in payment screen, there will be order ID along with the pre-receipt button. If you don't want to make payment process, you can go back to the cashier home screen. If not, in payment screen, so the button color indicate receipt status. The gray button color indicate that the receipt has been printed. The white button color is for order where the receipt hasn't been printed yet. So once you click the print receipt, the system will display the order list, including items and calculate the total amount. So customer can make payment using our secure prompt-based system. So once you have done, you can go back to the payment screen. That's all for my part.
I'm going to explain about how our application works internally. I believe that my friend might have previously introduced about how we provide different UI, different login pages for each different role for the cashier and for the login. So for the case of the waiter, after the waiter has like logged in with his or her a respective ID, they will be landed into this portal. So since they are the waiter, they will only have an access to the menu because since they are only in charge of the collecting orders from the customers, and they will have a logout button after they finish their process, their order. And for the case of the cashier, they will have all access to the important functions since they are the most like vital person in the whole restaurant. They can add menu, they can update menu, they can delete menu, they can track down the payment, they can view the order history, they can check the delivery history. They will have all kind of like all important functions. And for the order history, we will display a collection, a list of order history. And when we collect each order ID here, and we will provide the order detail for each order ID. And yes, that's the end of my part.
So this is the homepage of our application, and it has four options: menu, payment, order history, and delivery history. In this section, I'm going to explain about the delivery history option. If we click this delivery history, it will navigate you to this page where it contains incoming orders and delivery history option. In this incoming order scenario, we will see the incoming order list from the Grab, because the user are going to order food from the third-party applications like Grab and Foodpanda, these orders will pop up in this incoming order section, and we can view each order details by clicking the view button. For example, I'm gonna click this order number 11, and it will take you to the order detail page. And the cashier can decide if we are going to accept this order or reject this order based on the availability of the food in the kitchen. So in this scenario, we assume that this order 11 is going to be accepted. So we press the accept button. And as we can see that the previous order number 11 is gone in this incoming order section because it is stored in the delivery history section. Here we can see the order number 11. For another scenario, we will go back to the incoming order session, and this time I will take this order number 11 as an example. Let's view this order detail, and in this session, we can assume that we are run out of raw shrimp and the cashier decided to reject this order. So we will reject this order. And we can see that order number 12 is no longer showing in this incoming order section. And since we reject this order, it will no longer show in the delivery history as well. So this is all about the delivery history functionality. Thank you.